Hi, Dave Albury here. I am a Ruby ambassador with Plexus Worldwide. If you're receiving this video, you have a friend that sent you some samples, and in that sample pack are 3 stick packs. And you've got these 3 right here. These 2, it's called Slim Hunger Control. Slim is our pink drink that we're very famous for. And these are 2 different flavors, and I'll explain this in a minute. And then there's just an extra one. This is called Hydrate. It's our electrolyte drink. And this is a very mild lemon lime flavor. And you can add this to anywhere from 12 to 20 ounces of water. I usually use 16 ounces. And this is designed to be used with cold water. You want it to be refreshing because it does have electrolytes in it and all your vitamins. It's going to help keep your body hydrated. So that's Hydrate. Now, Slim, again, this is our pink drink that we're famous for. You may have seen some people sharing on Facebook. And what Slim does, we have a couple different versions, but the one that you're getting, it's called Hunger Control. And that's fine if you're not interested in losing weight or if you just want to focus on gut health. This is going to work for anyone. This one here is a black cherry lime flavor, which is newer, and a lot of people really like this one. And this one here is a blood orange lemon lime, which is the one I've been using for about 5 years. And this is just a powder that you're going to add to water. I usually tell people even when they're sampling this or starting, using one of our systems, to do half packs. There's a tablespoon of powder in here, and so a half pack is a teaspoon and a half. And you're going to add that to, about 10 ounces, 8 to 10 ounces of water. You can use any water. It's going to dissolve better in room temperature water, but it's going to taste better cold. So if you use room temperature water, just shake it really well, and you may want to even just pour it over some ice. Or if you're going to use cold water, just shake it up really, really well. What Slim is doing, it's something that was originally developed for Plexus by an endocrinologist. And so one of the primary benefits or reasons for it early on was to help folks who were struggling with type 2 diabetes. But it's been reformulated over the years, but we still kept those blood balancing components in it because everybody has fluctuations in blood sugar throughout the day. And that's one of the things that can lead to you having energy crashes in the afternoon, eating too much at certain times. It can even affect sleep and all kinds of things. So it's balancing blood sugar, and especially if you want to lose weight, when your blood sugar is balanced more, it helps your body to burn fat better instead of using sugar for fuel. It's also has all kinds of ingredients in it, but one of the main antioxidants is called alpha lipoic acid. And what alpha lipoic acid is doing is helping to reverse inflammation in the body. And inflammation is something that is tied to just about every chronic disease that there is. But if you're just feeling off or struggling with certain things, it could be from inflammation. Inflammation also can cause us to look puffy or feel bloated. So imagine, if you will, a scale with a pound of apples on it, and the apples representing fat. Another scale next to it with a pound of marshmallows. So in order to make up that same pound of apples, you're going to have a lot more marshmallows. And that's what inflammation does in the body. It can make you look puffy, feel bloated, etc. So this is one of the things that's going to be helping to reverse that. One of the main things that it's doing is it has prebiotics in it. So it's feeding the good microbes in your gut. And that's one of the main reasons why I tell people to maybe just try half packs, even when they're sampling, is because a lot of us are not used to a prebiotic. But with the Hunger Control version, it's a very mild prebiotic, and you should probably be fine if you want to try the full pack. I just suggest doing the half packs to start. But this is simply a taste test. It's not going to change your life overnight. So we're just sending these for you to taste and see which flavor you like. And reach out to the person that sent you the samples and jump in and start a program or use one of our systems. This is something I've been doing for 5 years, and it absolutely changed my life and changed my health. So I encourage you to reach back out to that person that shared this with you. Thanks again, and enjoy those samples.